Hello, my name's Dr. Sam Clark. I'm the Director of Admissions in Architecture. I'm also a reader in architecture. Very much look forward to meeting you, and congratulations on your offer, I should say. We very much hope that you'll take up that offer. We have some of the best studio provision in the sector, and you might see that as you travel around different schools. We're confident that we have some of the best. Studio is an important ingredient in an architectural education, and really I think what I'd like you to know is that from day one you'll be integrated both in terms of the physical space, having a place to go and to study in our building, but also a space within our wider design community. And I think from the early days of an architecture degree you start to feel very much at home here. Well, we look forward to seeing you hopefully, and if you have any questions, do get in contact. All the best.